Meaning of garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck. A garbage truck is a specialized vehicle designed to collect and transport municipal solid waste from residential, commercial, and industrial areas to a landfill or waste treatment facility. These trucks feature a large, open-top container for the collection of garbage and can be equipped with a compactor to compress the waste and maximize the amount of material that can be transported. Garbage trucks are an essential component of city sanitation services, as they help to keep communities clean and healthy by removing waste and preventing the spread of disease.